All right. Good evening. Good night, everybody. We did rally and get this last portfolio break. We've done what, 5 breaks today of portfolio. So this is a box break number 9. 2 random boxes. I mean, 2 random teams with a 2 box break. So let's roll the dice to see how many times are we going to randomize the names and teams. That is a 5 and a 5. So that is 10 times. So do the names 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th and final time. Ryan at the top, Ryan at the bottom. So let's put that into the spreadsheet. Now 10 times for the teams. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th and final time. Good luck, everyone. New York Rangers at the top with Edmonton following at number 2, but we'll see. Florida Panthers at the bottom. So if we look it up, wow, Big Boys 007 just missed the Oilers. Does go to Ryan. So let's see what Ryan gets. Ryan gets the New York Rangers, Edmonton Oilers, Wild for the David Harrow for the Wild. Ryan gets the Flames. David Harrow gets the Sharks, also with the Predators. Ryan gets the Avalanche. Todd gets the Canadiens. Ryan gets the Hurricanes. Ryan also gets the Jets. David Harrow gets the Flyers. Ryan gets the Senators, also with the Blue Jackets, Penguins, and let's see, actually, sorry. David Harrow gets the Capitals. Ryan gets the Bruins with the Toronto Maple Leafs and my Los Angeles Kings. David Harrow gets the Lightning and Stars. Ryan Emerson gets the Vancouver Canucks with the Detroit Red Wings. Todd gets the Islanders. Ryan gets the Ducks. David gets the Chicago Blackhawks. Ryan with the last, 5 spots. So Ryan gets the Devils, Sabres, Coyotes, Blues, and Panthers. So I'm going to pause the video, see if anybody wants to make a trade. We'll make this rather quickly. Some people don't really trade much, but I'll pause the video for a trade. And then when we get back, break the 2 boxes of portfolio. All right, everybody. So there was no trades. So the names stay the same as previous breaks. We are going to use the random dog or generator. This right here. See if you guys can see it. Let me move it up actually just a little bit. There you go. It's right on the top of the corner. So box numbers are available are 1 and 3 and 5 and 8. So I'm going to use the generator. The number pops out. Those are the 2 boxes we're doing. So 8 popped out right away. So we'll do box 8. Alright, so this is box 8, as you can see. Popped up in the generator. 6 is not available, so we'll skip that one and do it again. And box 1. So 1 came out on the generator. Box 1 is still available. So these are the 2 boxes we're doing. These 2 boxes that are over here are going to be for the last number 10 of Portfolio Hockey. This is the last break of the night. I'll be back tomorrow from 3 to 11. So let's get this break going. 2 boxes. Good luck, everyone. Done a lot of portfolio today. Very happy, very surprised actually. Can never doubt our customers. Got the best customers in the world.
Can't never doubt it.
I know, that's right. Alrighty, guys. This is portfolio number 9. Ryan Suter, Erik Karlsson, Zach Parise, rookie phenom Connor McDavid. So we start off on a pretty quick note. It's a base, but still, rookie phenom Connor McDavid. Edmonton, that's going to Ryan.
I feel like those
Ovechkin.
go for like $10
Yeah, that's
a
what I'm
pop,
saying,
right?
right? Yeah. Tyler Seguin, Pavel Bure, Pavel Datsuk. Anything Connor McDavid sells for nuts. Boone Jenner, Plekanec, Bozak, Drew Doughty, Gostisbehere, Wire Photos, Mike Hoffman, Landeskog, PK Subban. Remember, everything does ship in these portfolios, so you will get everything. Huberdeau, Van Riemsdyk, Brassard, Rookie Phenoms, Connor Hellebuck, Winnipeg Jets, Kuznetsov, Kopitar, Gostisbehere, Bobby Clark, Seabrook, Jack Johnson, Daniel Sedin, TJ Oshie, Rookie Phenoms, Robbie Fabry, St. Louis Blues, Coyle, Curry, Johansson. Yeah, you're gonna have the biggest portfolio package. That is actually probably gonna for sure come in a flat rate, medium flat rate. Depending if you do buy into more, it may go into a large flat rate. Teravainen, Getzlaff,
do the large flat rate.
Little, yeah, do the large flat. Oh
Let's do
wow!
the large
So there's an
flat
autograph
rate.
coming up right there. Kari Leitonen, and the autograph, nice, little veteran, Marc-Andre Fleury for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Nice. That goes to Ryan with Pittsburgh. Congrats. Gretzky, Cliffbaum. Yeah, it was a nice one, right? I know Matt Murray did lead them to a Stanley Cup, but Fleury is still, I think, they're number one. I think they're still battling, but Verbata, Skinner, Schwartz, Reimer, Jared McCann, Mark Stone, Bobby Ryan, Aaron Ekblad. He's not playing so well now in his career. At one point, he was the biggest prospect there was for goalies. Dustin Byfuglien, Jokinen, Hamilton, Niederreiter, rookie phenom Daniel Carr. Yeah, he does flunk when it does come to the big games as well. But he does have a Stanley Cup before, though. Yeah, he got their cup in 09, so although he didn't lead them to this Stanley Cup, he still has one cup under his ring. He was a good prospect at one point. But it's a Pittsburgh Penguins autograph, so I'd be able to sell decent, right? Pittsburgh is a big market. Marian Gaborik, Mike Green, Hamnick, Noah Hannafin, rookie phenom, Carolina Hurricanes, Sid the Kid, Joe Sakic, Ryan O'Reilly, Matt Molson. Alright, so we're looking for that memorabilia piece now. Tuukka Rask, Torrey Krug, Jordan Staal, rookie phenoms Charles Hudon, Montreal Canadiens, Blake Wheeler, Brian Leetch, Bobrovsky, Zuccarello, Nyquist, Jeff Carter, Rick Nash, black and white art card Carey Price, Clark Gillies, Jonathan Taves, Tarasenko, Voracek, Palmieri, Vanek, Shattenkirk, Shea Theodore, rookie phenom wire photos, Shea Weber, Scott Hartnell, Scheifele, Gallagher, Anthony Duclair, Peralt, Klingberg, Tarasenko, Galchenyuk, Hall, Allen, Renier, Tyler Ennis, Corey Crawford, Phil Kessel, Patrice Bergeron, rookie phenom Brett Pesce, Not sure how to pronounce that. I'm sorry about that. Henrik Lundqvist. Schneider Iginla. Alright, so I think this has the memorabilia in it. Evander Kane, Duncan Keith, and Jason Spezza, Profiles material. Dallas, David Harrell, nice, Big Boys 007, little relic. It's there for you. Tyler Johnson, Strome, Brewdor. All right, so I'm gonna skim through these packs, rip them all open to get the break going faster. Since we already did pull the 2 hits already. Alright, so I'll skim through these fairly quickly. Gibson, Erickson, Phaneuf, Victor Rask, Jonas Corpusalo, Columbus Blue Jackets, Carey Price, Reinhardt, Brind'Amour, Steen, Monahan, Zetterberg, Philip Forsberg, Yakupov, Forsberg, Tavares, Hurdle, Eberle, Pastrnak, Artemi Panarin, wired photos. Put that in a penny sleeve. Patrick Sharp, Nugent Hopkins, Lidstrom, Henrique, Kadri, Brody, Bodker, Pietrangelo, Mike McCarron, rookie phenoms, Komarov, Drysdale, Draisaitl, sorry, Jamie Benn, Kevin Hayes, Brock Nelson, Roman Josi, Wayne Gretzky, Evgeny Malkin, John Carlson, Claude Giroux, Kyle Torres, Nathan McKinnon, Boychuk, Letang, Mike Condon, rookie phenoms, Canadians, Toffoli, Artemi Panarin, Cam Fowler, Duchesne. Alrighty. So that is box 1. So these are the hits, or the rookie phenoms. I like to separate those. We did get a Andre Fleury auto out of the first box. Next box. Remember, this is a 2-box break. Alright, so we're looking for a Connor McDavid in this one. So far, out of this case, or this half inner that we've done, there's only been one McDavid, and it was a patch. So, still looking for McDavid, but there is going to be another one. I forgot to post it up, so that's my bad, but I'll post up number 10 after this break's over. So here's the other box. Erik Johnson, Peter Mrazek, Ribeiro, Shen, Guy Lafleur, Eric Stahl, Corey Perry, Nick Foligno, Alex Pietrangelo, Palmieri, Thomas Vanek, Sam Bennett, Tyler Johnson, Ryan Strome, Brodeur, Toffoli, James Neal, Patrick Marleau, Giordano, Brent Burns, rookie phenom, Jonas Donskoy, Tyler Hall, Jaromir Jagr, Braden Holtby, Christopher Stieg, Doug Harvey, Henrik Sedin, Guy Lafleur, Johnny Gaudreau, Martin Jones, Mark Messier, and Mario Lemieux. Kevin Shattenkirk, Evander Kane, Duncan Keith, Nathan McKinnon, rookie phenom Frank Vetrano, Boston Bruins, Anthony Niemi, Cam Fowler, Matt Duchene, Johnny Boychuk, Chris Letang, Alexander Steen, Tyler Hall, Yakupov, Forsberg, Tavares, Sean Monahan, Zetterberg, John Gibson, Louis Erickson, Oscar Lindbergh, Rangers, Carey Price, Sam Reinhart, Rod Brind'Amour, Martin Hansel, Camilleri, Horvat, Wayne Simmons, rookie phenom Nikolai Golubin, Joe Pavelski, Marc-Andre Fleury, Nicholas Lidstrom, Justin Williams, Poso. No, I know, it was an S league.
Okay.
I was just pulling him aside. Roberto Luongo, Ekman Larson, Parayoko, Colton. I'm just gonna call him Colton. Sorry about that. Evgeny Malkin, John Carlson, Claude Giroux. If you are watching Colton, I'm very sorry.
Sounds like food.
There are some names I still haven't got down. Dustin Byfuglien, UC Jokinen, Dougie Hamilton, Niederreiter,
You know who Gretzky is, though.
Lanny McDonald. Yeah, I know, right? Lanny McDonald. I do know that. Jonathan Taves, Tarasenko, Voracek. I did know somebody that didn't know him. Nyquist, Jeff Carter, Rick Nash, Ryan Suter, Andreas Anthony. I think I pronounced it actually right this time. For Detroit, Alex Ovechkin, Tyler Seguin, Pavel Bure, Kevin Hayes, Brock Nelson, Roman Yossi, Upper Deck Portfolio, Black White Art Card, Alexander the Great, Alexander Ovechkin, Capitals, Kyle Turris, Komarov, Draisaitl, Jamie Benn. All right, so still looking for the relic and the auto in this second box of a 2-box break of portfolio. Eric Carlson, Zach Parise, Huberdeau, James Van Riemsdyk, Jack Eichel, rookie phenom wired photos. That's nice. He did come back from his high ankle sprain. Did score 3 goals in his first 2 games. That goes to Buffalo. That goes to Ryan. Pavel Datsyuk, Kuznetsov, Andrei Kopitar, King Kopi. Also now Captain Kopi. Nassim Kadri, TJ Brody, Mikhail Bodger, rookie phenom Dylan Larkin. This is a nice card. Shea Weber, Scott Hartnell, Scheifele, Gallagher. So a couple more packs left. We're still looking for the autograph and the relic. It looks like the relic is in this pack. Derek Broussard, Craig Anderson, and nice. For the Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Kessler, Profiles Material. That's Ryan Kessler. That goes to the Ducks. That goes to Ryan Emerson. Congrats, Ryan. Although he is a rival to my Los Angeles Kings. But for you, as long as you get a hit. Gostisbehere, Bobby Clark, Krejci. Alrighty, so now looking for the autograph. Looking for the auto. Joe Thornton, Rostalainen, Mike Smith, Zachary Fuchel, black and white art card, Ryan Kessler, Pacioretty, Hoodler, Bobby Orr. So 4 packs left. 4 packs left in this 2-box portfolio break. Jason Spezza, Tobias Ryder, Sammy Vatanen, Rookie Phenoms Max Domi, Arizona Coyotes. That goes to Ryan as well. Victor Hedman, Tomas Tatar, Jugstad, Lafleur, all right, Devin Dubnyk, Patrick Kane, Brandon Saad, Rookie Phenoms Endless Olmark, Linus, Buffalo Sabres. That also goes to Ryan. Al McInnes, Nikita Kucherov, Varlamov, Gilmore. So 2 packs left. Still looking for that auto. 2 packs left looking for that auto. Dion Phaneuf, Victor Ross, Tara Vinen, Rookie Phenom Matt Murray. Be cool to pull a Matt Murray auto. Salmi, Wayne Gretzky, Cliff Baum, Charlie Coyle. Alright, so the auto should be in this last pack. So good luck, everybody. Steven Stamkos, Mikko Koivu, Ben Bishop. Nice! So it's a wired photos autograph of John Tavares. Nice. Haven't seen one of these autographed. That goes to the New York Islanders. Islanders? Todd Reardon. Nice. Todd gets himself a John Tavares. He has the New York Islanders. Oh, I'm sorry, man. So you can see on the sheet, it does say Todd for the Islanders. That goes to the Islanders.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Whether you know, yeah.
Justin Falk, Jonathan Quick, Barkov, Andrew Ladd. All right, that is a break, everybody. Thank you. Thank you for making this a good day today at Jaspy's Hockey Land. Buy your spots. I'll put up another portfolio break right now. We do have the cup. We're really trying to sell the cup. Pick your teams and random teams, so get that going. I will see you guys next time.